Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy hot water cornbread. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fine cornmeal, about 1 cup of boiling water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A good quality cast iron skillet or heavy-bottomed pan is also essential for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Make sure your water is at a rolling boil before you begin. Now let's mix our batter. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of cornmeal with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, carefully pour 1 cup of boiling water directly into the cornmeal mixture. Stir quickly and thoroughly with a spoon until a thick, dough-like consistency forms. It should be firm enough to handle. Let this mixture rest for about 5 minutes. This helps the cornmeal fully hydrate. It's time to fry our cornbread. Heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil in your cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. While the oil heats, form the cornmeal mixture into small, flat patties, roughly 3 inches wide and 1/2 inch thick. Carefully place 3 or 4 patties into the hot oil, ensuring you do not overcrowd the pan. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once your hot water cornbread is golden and crispy, carefully remove it from the skillet and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these delicious patties immediately as a warm, comforting side dish or a satisfying snack. This simple recipe typically yields about 6 to 8 small cornbread patties, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.